stomach is frozen, so I can't even speak. What a disappointment, I had it perfectly. What I was going to bring up suddenly stood like a stone, is just quietly. You're making it hard for me, and all I could do was freeze. What I need is, all I need is just a little emotion, 'cause all I see is you not feeling, and you're giving me nothing nice. I tried to do you right, why'd you have to go and turn to ice? I don't think you're knowing how hard this is for me. I'm not the type to say sorry constantly.